You go ahead, Eva. Take egg, avocado. This is nice. Tomato. Sibuyas. Shoo. Hi everyone, my name is Charo. Welcome to my kusina. Today I'm going to make cornmeal octopus hot dog. I'm going to cut it like this. That way. Or you can also cut more if you want to. After chopping the hot dog, now I'm going to start for my cornmeal. So my ingredients are cornmeal, all-purpose flour, baking soda, sugar, salt, 1 egg, and milk. I'm going to put them all together. Perfecto. This is the outcome of my cornmeal octopus hot dog. They're cute and it's good for your kids. I hope I inspire you, especially for your kids. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you!